Government of AP, Directorate of Midday Meals and School Sanitation has released the new midday meal app with name Jagananna Gorumudda IMMS. It stands for Integrated Monitoring of Midday Meals and Sanitation. In this video, we are going to observe three important activities. Number 1, students' attendance. Number 2, process of inspection and filling the inspection form. Number 3, filling the AYA details. Open the IMMS app. There you will find two options: Jagananna Gorumudda Sanitation Monitoring System, and press the Jagananna Gorumudda option. There you will find a go to app. You press it. There you will find 4 options. Among them, first 2 options are very important. Go to the HM services option, that is first option. There you will find so many options: daily attendance, monthly rice indent, egg indent, chicky indent. Among them, daily attendance is very important, that we have to do every day. Press the daily attendance. Here you will see classes. Select the option. There you will see classes 1 to 5th, that is belong to primary school. Here a roll of the school is already given, and now we have to enter attendance class wise. Monthly rice indent, there we have to enter a closing balance. Likewise egg indent, chicky indent, there data will be entered regarding eggs and chicky. So next main option is inspection form. This is the activity that we have to do every day. Inspection officer name, so generally HM will inspect, so here we have to write HM. Coming to options given below, the first option is a storage area where we have kept rice packets, eggs, that has to be sent in the form of photo. So capture the photo and upload it, and you have to inform either the area is in good condition or bad condition or not available. Next, cooking area. Capture the photo of cooking area and upload it where midday meal agency cooks food for the children, and we have to inform either it is in good condition or bad condition or not available in the school. Next option, utensils cleanliness, either it is good or bad, capture the photo, upload it. Next, dining area, good or bad, capture the photo, upload it. Next, wastage disposal, good or bad, capture the photo, upload it. Quality of drinking water, menu is being followed or not, yes or no we have to mention. Quality of ingredients, good or bad. Quantity of ingredients, either it is good or bad, mention here. Quality of eggs, capture the photo, upload it. Inform good, bad or not available. Next, food taste, good or bad, mention here. Food temperature, cook hygiene, students hygiene, hand cleanliness. After filling all the options, last you will find submit option. Press it, then a data will be completed successfully. Now we will see sanitation monitoring system. Under that we will see various options. Among them, inspection form is very important, that we have to do. Remaining are not that much of necessary as we think. So first option is data capture. So already data is provided, just we have to check it. If the information is correct, then simply we have to press submit button, then it will be over, and it has to be done only once, not every day. Next option, image capture. Under that we will see boys blocks, girls blocks. Here information should be provided belong to toilets, urinals, and capture the images of them, upload it. Very simple. This process also has to be done once, not every day. Third option, inspection form. This is very important. This process has to be done every day. Options are given below, observe it. Availability of running water. If it is available in your school, then press S. Availability of sanitary worker. If S, then press S. Not available, then press No. Availability of cleaning agents. Availability of cleaning tools. Cleanliness of urinals. Cleanliness of toilets. Cleanliness of wash basin. Cleanliness of floor. And cleanliness of premises. Student hygiene. So after filling all the options, if you find any remark, then you can mention here. If it is not, then you just go for submit button. Now we will see how to submit IR details. Just go to HM services, where you will find IR details among various options. After opening it, this format has to be filled. First, name of the IR has to be entered. Next, mobile number, IR Aadhaar number, IFSC code, bank name and account number. If account is active position, then just press S and date has to be entered. After filling all the applications, go for submit button. Like that, we can complete IR details successfully. TMC registration means Toilet Maintaining Committee. Here, name of the headmaster has to be entered. Mobile number of headmaster. PC chairman name means parent committee chairman name has to be mentioned. PC chairman mobile number has to be mentioned. Active PC member 1 name means any active person in parent committee name has to be mentioned. Active PC member 1 mobile number and his mobile number. Next, active PC member 2 name, any other active member in parent committee name has to be mentioned. Active PC member 2 mobile number, other active person in parent committee has to be mentioned. Engineering assistant name, engineering assistant mobile number, education assistant name, education assistant mobile number. Designated teacher name means other teacher in the school except HM name has to be mentioned. Designated teacher number has to be typed here. Female teacher name, if any female teacher except HM name has to be mentioned. Female teacher mobile number. Senior girl name, for example, if a primary school is there, then 5th class girl name has to be mentioned, who should be intelligent. Senior boy name, suppose if there is primary school, then we have to mention 5th class boy name, who should be intelligent. Senior boy mobile number. Like that, after filling all these options, we have to press submit button. Then TMC registration process will be completed successfully. And now we will see a TMF joint account registration means Toilet Maintaining Fund. Here account number has to be mentioned, that is joint account number. It's a combination of head teacher, parent committee chairman and welfare scheme officer from Sachivalayam. IFSC code has to be entered. Next, bank name. After filling this, press the submit button, then the process will be completed. In updated version, you will see school information option. After pressing it, you will see school ID, school name, school type, district, mandal, enrollment, HM name, HM mobile number. So already data is given, just you check it. If you want to add something else, you can add it. After filling all the options, you will see update details. You press it, then your data will be updated. Friends, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please press the like button and share my videos as much as you can. Friends, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please go for subscribing my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my latest videos on your YouTube channel. Thank you one and all. Last but not least, take care, be healthy and be happy. Jai Hind.